Hi everyone and welcome to another Hitfilm tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to slow down and speed up video by a percentage in Hitfilm. So to start off with, you can see that I've already imported something to edit and slow down in this video, but if you haven't, then you just go over and click over in the import section and then import your video. Once you're done that, just simply drag the video into the timeline and then play it through. You can hear there's a bit of stereo noise, so what we'll do is we'll just drag that down to the bar and mute it, which I showed in another video if you want to check that out. So we'll just find a place where we can cut it. So we'll trim it. So what we'll do is, you can either cut it or trim it. We'll just cut it, we'll just trim it back down to the line. So that's where we're up to. We'll just zoom in because it'll make it easier to see. Oh, that's a bit too big. Just trim it down. Yeah, that'll do. Play it through. Yep, that looks like it looks pretty good. That's where we'll decide to cut it. And this is the major step. So what we have to do now is we have to right click and then go up the top to speed and duration. You can then change your speed, and I've chosen 10%, which could be a bit too slow. Yeah, it is. It's 26 seconds. So what we'll do is we'll change that to 50%, and then we'll give it a shot. We'll see how it looks. So once you're done that, just go click below the previewer in the right hand corner of the timeline, the export button. Just click that and then say contents and export. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.